Social proof is a term for marketing that means the customers that come to your site to buy products or services are reassured that other people have bought, used, enjoyed, and found your products or services useful. The key to providing social proof on a WooCommerce store on our products are the review system. So I've set up this test product, and you can see I've got one customer review and it's got 5 stars. Of course it has. But if you think about your purchases on other e-commerce stores like Amazon, if you're like me, you'll scroll down to the reviews, have a quick look through, see if lots of people are giving 4 or 5 star reviews, perhaps check the 1-star reviews and see if the product does what it says on the tin. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up reviews on your WooCommerce store, and importantly, how to restrict those views to only people who've purchased. So we don't want to provide false reviews on our site. So if we restrict it to only people who've actually purchased it, if we look at the reviews here, I'm a verified owner, I bought this course, and I've left a 5-star review. So let's jump over at the back end of my WooCommerce store and I'll show you how to enable reviews. If we go down to WooCommerce settings and then go to the product tab, so we have these review section here. So we can enable reviews and we can show this verified owner label, and we can see that reviews can only be left by verified owners, and we can enable or disable the 5-star ratings if we want. So if I come to the store as a fresh user, this is what I'll see. So if I go to the review section, only logged in customers who have purchased this may leave a review, and it says I'm a verified owner. So let's buy this product and leave a review. Let's quickly check out and create a new user. Okay, let's log in and leave a review. So I'm logged in, I go to reviews, and I still don't have the ability to add a review. Why is that? If we go look at my account and go to our orders, the order is still on hold. So until the order has its status changed to actually processing, you can't leave a review. It's at that level of confirmation. Let's change that to complete. Completed. If I go back to here now, there we are, with the ability to leave a rating. So I'm not very happy. This won't appear on the front end of the site until you've approved it, much like a comment from standard WordPress blog posts. So let's go over and approve that now. So under products, we have a reviews tab. And there's my 1-star review. I could delete it if I wasn't that happy with it, if it wasn't true, or I can approve it. Now if we go back to the reviews, you'll see our star rating has gone down significantly and our 2 reviews are here. Verified owner, it's very poor, but this person says it's the best. So that gives us social proof about this product and helps us make a decision on our purchasing. The next thing I like to do when I'm building a WooCommerce store is to automate the process of gathering reviews. And there's a really useful plugin out there called Shop Magic, which sets up an automation and creates an incentive for people to leave reviews. Let's jump over and look at that now. So I have Shop Magic installed in the back end. Shop Magic is, just remember the pricing, it's a premium plugin, £69, about $79, I would guess. And it gives you a series of automations that you can use. The one I'm going to use is to request reviews once somebody has purchased something. So let's go to the automation section. You can just add a new one if you want, but there's a series of recipes. I'm going to use a recipe, and that one is review request email. So use that recipe. So what it's in is, once the order is marked as complete, we're going to send an email. You could add a pause to let people get the products delivered and have them use it for a few days. So perhaps add a filter of a delay. I haven't got the delay software installed, but you can essentially set a delay of a couple of days. But then it sends an email. Let's edit that email. So what's in here? I would like to personally thank you for your order, blah, blah, blah. Hope you're satisfied with it. And then we can have insert a review link. And that will link a person directly back to the page where they can leave a review. So let's activate that. Mark as publish, save it, and let's create a new order. So we're going to buy the same one again. Let's mark that as complete. And a few minutes later, we get a link in our emails so we can leave that review. So the automation sent out and encouraging people to leave reviews. You can also use the same plugin to entice people to leave reviews. You can give them a coupon for 10% off the next purchase if they leave a review. So giving that incentive to bring people back to your store is very, very useful. So that's the end of my video on using WooCommerce reviews as social proof on your store.